Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing here. This watch was kindly lent in by a Discord member of the Discord group, obviously. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to join the group. So a bunch of guys talking about watches, so cool place to hang out, I think. Of course, I'm biased. Anyway, this watch is also for sale, so if you're interested, send me an email and I'll put you in contact with the owner. So this is a Phoibos, however you're supposed to pronounce it, Phoibos Voyager. The B's and V's, kind of a tongue twister, I guess. I didn't even cut the rest of this. Not paying attention to what I'm doing here, totally. So yeah, let's take a look at this. I have not had a Phoibos in hand before. They seem to offer a lot for the money. So looking forward to spending a little bit of time with this watch. I believe these sell for about $300 new. So let's get it out of here. I don't know what's in there, so I won't open that up. Let's zoom in here. Alright, so I did take a quick look at this. Just return policy, warranty card, and then a little booklet talking about the watch here, I guess. I never really read these things. I don't know if you guys read these or not. So let's take a look at this. Cool packaging here. It's a nice case, actually. It's a good way to pack up a watch, by the way. Wrap it with bubble wrap and stick another piece in here just to keep it from flopping around. So yeah, well done. And you got some spare links down in there. So yeah, like I said, this watch is for sale. I'll put you in contact with the owner. I think you would just send him the funds and then pay me for shipping or whatever. I don't know. We'll figure it out. This is a cool looking watch. It's got the black and gilt theme. Looks like a slight dome to that sapphire crystal. It's a nice 5-link bracelet. Probably goes from 22 to 20. So let's compare it to my SKX. What did I do with that thing? I just had it here. Oh, there we go. It's over here. So actually, I say it's a 20 millimeter, and it probably tapers down to 18. I don't know if Phoibos is a homage brand or if they kind of do their own thing a little bit too. I don't know if this really reminds me of anything else or not. Let me know what you guys think. Is this kind of their own design, or have they kind of homage something else? That date down there, 6 o'clock, is not the easiest thing to read. See, let's move that around. I don't know if it's a roulette wheel or if every date is red. Looks like every date is red, which you probably can't tell because this camera is not focusing very well. Come on. There we go. Yeah, so they're all red. As we're zoomed in, let's take a little closer look at the dial here. Applied indices. Looks to be a ceramic bezel insert as well. So first impressions, that looks to be a very nice watch. It feels a little heavy though, so it's pretty solid. Sapphire crystal Phoibos automatic watch, water resistant, 200 meter. Okay, let me put this on wrist and then we'll close out the video. So we do have a milled clasp, solid end links and solid links. This portion of the clasp is stamped. Looks like they could have put another 2 more micro adjusts in there. I don't know why they would not put additional micro adjusts. And you do have screw pins for bracelet sizing. Doesn't look too big on my 6.5 inch wrist. The 52 millimeter wristband. If you have not subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out, and I really do appreciate it as well. And ring the notification bell. Bezel action is nice and solid too. I also like this dual pusher. I don't really care for the safety clasp. Dual pusher is, I think, plenty secure and a lot easier to use. As always, thank you for your time and thank you for watching.